Hey, I've lost 180 pounds. Come thrift store shopping with me and see what all I got and saving lots of money. First off, I got I told y'all Lou has a toddler bed. So they have this nice toddler bed. I don't know if it's ever been used. Probably donated. But they had this nice toddler bed for $7.95. And it's going for the dogs. So it doesn't matter if it's perfect or not. It doesn't matter if it's used or anything anyway. So before I go put it on Lou's bed, I wanted to show you guys. It's nice. $8. And, no stains or nothing. So I really think it's new. So, wait, there's a scratch down at the bottom. But one scratch. So I might have done that when I was bringing it in the house. Anyway, so I'm going to go put this on Lou's bed, and I'll show you the other stuff we got. I'll show you the non-clothing things first. I got this nice travel cup for $2.95. I got a nice metal spoon for, I'm always in my cast iron. This is 50 cents. I got this. It's from Menards. It's 50 cents. I'm like, that'd be good for my cast iron skillet. And then I got this pancake turner. It looks just like the one I have. And this is 50 cents. Then I got one of these. I'm like, that's something I can wear during the summer. I can put my hair up over the back or whatever. So, a visor for the summer. All right. Now, let's get into the clothes. The shirt, this is the brand Chaps. It's a large, and these are Christopher and Banks, and they're like cropped pants. So that'll be good for the summer that I can wear with some sandals or something. So got this outfit. I guess orange was the theme for my shirts today. But I liked how, I was looking for some like 3/4 length shirts. There was hardly any out, but, because as a summer at work, I still get cold at work. So I'll leave this shirt on throughout the rest, but these are New York and Company cropped pants. These are size 10. I do not have my tank top thing underneath, so all the skin is just hanging out for all it's worth, and that's all right. So the rest is going to be pants. So I'll aim the camera down. So these are New York and Company. These are Christopher and Banks, size 10 petite. So my method when I go is I look for brands that have long lasting stay. Christopher and Banks is like Lane Bryant and some of these other big box store brands. They have staying power, not so much style. Me, I don't care about style, but they're gonna last like for years and years and years and years. And so I was looking, these are gonna be some cropped pants that for the next 7-8 years, these will still work and they'll still be standing up to washing and washing and washing and washing. So, and I forgot to tell you, so for the total that I've spent on this one was $46.40, and we've got 3 more pair of pants that I'm going to try on. These are just some that I got for walking the dogs. Just some, cropped off pants, sweatpants. Like I said, I got these for walking the dogs. Yeah. So I got these for walking the dogs, and I'm just having them, I'm taking off the tags as I go. These are Gloria Vanderbilt, size 10. I liked them because hopefully editing Terry will zoom in. There's some details down on the bottom of them, on the bottom of each leg. But, I'm trying to find things that fit that my coworkers aren't going to tell me they look too baggy. When you don't have a butt, things just automatically look baggy right here. But anyway, so these are Gloria Vanderbilt, size 10. These are Cherokee, size 10. They're cropped pants. Again, I was looking for stuff that I can wear to church this summer. I can wear to work. Not only do I look at stuff that's going to last, I look for good quality. But like, I was hyper focused on jeans today because I tried on 3 pair of my jeans and they were too big. So, you know, my body, while I'm not losing weight, my body is still shifting and adjusting to where it's going to be. So, yeah. So I tried those. I was kind of hyper focused on jeans and pants for work. While mentally I'm not ready to wear shorts yet, I did grab a pair of shorts. These are Basic something. I don't know the brand. But anyway, they fit, and I was like, all right, Terry, you need to break out of your shell and buy a pair of shorts, even if you wear them for nothing else but for walking. So I picked up a pair of these. And that is the end of, this was Teen Challenge. So all the things that you've seen so far, the bed and these clothing and the kitchenware stuff, that was all Teen Challenge. I also went to the Women's Safe House thrift store. I spent $53 there. And this is a shirt that I got. Now, you know, I always wear that tank top thing. And so it comes to about here. So I tried it on with it and I liked how it looked. So this shirt was $2.50, I think. And then these are Christopher and Bank pants. And they were $3.50. So these are Christopher and Bank's black pants, black jeans. These are Gloria Vanderbilt jeans, and they're full length, and they fit pretty good. There's not a bunch of looseness in them. The jeans were how much are they? Jeans were $2.50, and this shirt, I did not buy this shirt to wear on the outside. It's $1.75. I bought this shirt to wear like underneath t-shirts. You know, like in the summertime, and so it's definitely too tight, but I got it to wear for underneath t-shirts. Got these cute cargo pants, those St. John's Bay, and then this shirt. Again, I got this shirt as an underneath shirt for whenever I am at work and I'm cold. The pants were $2.50 and the shirt was $2. So $4.50 for this outfit. Now, granted, I know this isn't an outfit and whatnot, but because I won't wear them together per se, but $4.50, and it's what I got. This shirt is a Time and True. I don't know that brand, like where it's from, but I have several long sleeve t-shirts from them, and they're just really light, and I like them. I sleep in them or I wear them to work. You know, they're just solid, and I like how they are. These pants are Dockers. Again, looking for brands that have staying power. The pants were $3, and this shirt was $2. So for $5, you know, I got something I can wear around. I also got these cropped pants. Again, looking for something to walk around with the dogs in. So, but this right here, these I can wear to work, I can wear to church, I can dress them up, dress them down. So, that's these pants. These are Gloria Vanderbilt, Amanda Skinner, Skinner. Anyway, skinnier. Anyway, that's the style of these. I like how they fit. They're not too baggy or anything. And again, they're cropped pants. The pants were $3. This shirt was $2.50. I thought, well, that's kind of fun. It has a little detail, and we know I'll have my tank thing under it, so nobody's going to see the cleavage. But I just thought it was a cute color. So I'm going to change back to my t-shirt for the rest of them, so I'm not... When you buy clothes from a thrift store, they have a smell. And it's okay, because when you wash them, the smell goes away. But it just smells like clothes that have been sitting out and nobody's wearing for a long time. So, yeah. So I'm going to switch back to my t-shirt. Yeah, I already showed them. Okay, I'm going to switch to the t-shirt. Again, another pair of pants I can wear to work. I think I'm going to aim it down a little more now. You know, I like the color. They are a little baggy here, but I don't care. I like them. I like the color, the stripes. I just think it's cute. These are Christopher and Banks, and they were $3. And you know, some of you younger viewers might be like, Terry, why are you going with them old lady brands? It's because these old lady brands have been around for a long time. And I'm an old lady, and I like the way they fit. I like the style. So I think most of the others are Christopher and Banks, I do believe. So Christopher, yeah. Anyway, I'll tell you as I keep going. But, yep, I'll keep going. But these will be good to wear to work or wherever, too. Again, more Christopher and Banks for $3. But I like the way they fit. They hold up. I said this brand holds up well. So they're full length. They're just a good length for me, too. So when I have shoes on, you know, they won't be dragging on the floor. These are Coldwater Creek. I don't know a lot about them. I like the way they fit, though. I don't know that they're going to have staying power. They feel a little thin, but that might just be the material. I don't know. They were $3.50. I've got 1, 2, 3 more pair of jeans, and yes, they are Christopher and Banks. These were $3. I wonder if I can just hoist this up under the girls. Anyway, these were $3, and these are like the stretchy material kind of pants. But they're a good length. They hug my legs, and these were $3.50. No, I don't remember if these were $3 or $3.50. But anyway, whatever I said a while ago, if I said a price. But anyway, so these are Christopher and Banks, and they're stretchy. These are Christopher and Banks, but they were $4. I don't know what makes them $1 more. There is a little bit of a detail right here on right here and here. So I don't know if that's enough to make them $4, but it just cracks me up. So yeah, but Christopher and Banks and $4. Maybe this is why they were $4. There's detail on the back pockets as well as the front pockets. So maybe that's what made them $4. I don't know. That's funny. These are $3, and they're the last pair. Again, Christopher and Banks. And like I said, it's just a good solid brand. I also got a toaster for $2. Definitely needs to be cleaned off and everything. They even taped the little dealie to it. That is so funny. It's just a rival toaster, but $2. You know, like I said, I got it because I wanted to, you know, for the chaffles. If I'm going to play around with chaffles from time to time, if I make some, then the next day I want to be able to toast it back up. I also got some Christmas cups. It says, Christmas is magical. I thought, you know, that's just something kind of fun and random. And, you know, when you give gifts at Christmas time, you can put them inside the little cups, and for $1.75 and $1.75, like if you give gift cards or something like that, like I usually give gift cards to my team. And so this is just something fun and silly. I can drop them in with some candy and a little piece of tissue paper or something. But just kind of planning ahead for that. So that is my thrift store haul. So between the 53 and the 46, $100, and you saw how many pair of pants and how many shirts I got. So don't be sleeping on your thrift stores. Like I said, I go to those two. I know there's plenty of others. I could have gone to some in the next town over, and I could have gone to Goodwill. I don't go to our Goodwill, and I probably should check them out. But the workers who I work with who are super into thrifting, they say that the prices are way more there. So I'm like, I ain't even gonna bother. So I don't go. I'm sure they have great stuff. I just don't go. One of these days I will. But I know that the Women's Safe House, they get a lot of women clothing, but it's because people assume that it's getting donated to the women. So, and then the Teen Challenge, you know, people donate to them, they come and take it out of your car, and they're super helpful, and and it's a good ministry. So people like to help them out too. So I know one of these days I'll go to Goodwill after work. Okay, anyway, that's it. Okay, bye.